Okay, let's do a little more. Yesterday when I was working on it, or the last time I was working on it, when I opened the hood, oh, that sure pulls easier since it got a dose of WD-40. Let's see here, where is the hood? I used to know, well, I had one of these things for years. There it is. Oh yeah, that's much better. Hold on. When I opened the hood, you know, the prop rod is just laying in here. Luckily, didn't lose it. So I went to the Ford dealership today and got me some parts. So, boy, it's tricky to film and not hurt yourself. So, here's how you do it. Give me a second. Prop this thing up so it doesn't give me too much grief. Well, that's not going to work. There we go. That'll hold it for a minute. So what we want to do is put these new parts in here. And I believe this is how you do it. Snap it in there first. That's stiff. There we go. And you put the rod in the hole. There we go. And then you find a way to do this. There we go. We'll fold it over that way. Put my palm on it and give it a push. Should snap right in there. Tight. Hold on. We use these pliers on it. Here we go. Well, there. It's been a long time since I've replaced one of these. A very, very long time. There we go. Snapped right in there. Now, this will go over here and see it goes in this hole up here in the hood. But this also needs to be snapped down so it just don't rattle. And we can do that with this piece. Snap this in the hole. Boy, that just went right in there, I'm telling you. Now, there we go. No rattle. The problem is that, hold on, let me get this out of here. When you put your hood in here, if this doesn't have a clip on it, this can come out and you know, give you grief. Be in here working on something, bump your elbow on that rod, bam! This sharp edge comes down on your head, or you might be working on something and bam! The hood closed down and latch on your fingertips. You don't want that. So a little safety measure there. I'll post the part numbers for these. I understand this one is obsolete. They actually fit a Mustang, oddly enough. That's okay. Ford shared parts with lots of different vehicles. Let's show you this. See, this came off of some other brand. I mean, some other, not brand, but model of car. It's been to Jiffy Lube before. How about that? Interesting. So maybe it's been cared for a little bit. Jiffy Lube is not like, you know, extremely well thought of, but well enough. Looking down there at my exhaust manifolds and all this stuff. Yeah, man. It's good to see that everything's here. I mean, really. Because this thing's been parked long enough for people to want to rob parts off of it. I'm going to get a new cable. So I'm going to have to measure the length of this one. I despise these things. This one is chewed up on the end, but I'm going to have to determine, you know, if I can get a cable to replace it. There's all kinds of stuff going on up in here. So let's see here. This is air conditioning. They did splice into it, so it has rear air. See. Hopefully that's functional back there and not a big old leaker. I sure look forward to getting it running. Got a small alternator on it. I don't know how many amps. I sure don't want to take it off to find out. Looks like it's been replaced at some point because the fins are, that little fan on it is black. And it wouldn't have been from the factory. I'm suspicious of this radiator. But that's enough for today. We're going to let it go. And talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.